children, are you ready for a fun shape adventure? Well, let's tag along with Mina and Raju as they discover shapes in the world around them. They will look at things from different sides, open up a box, create pictures using shapes, and even cut paper to make something new. Let's begin. Mina pointed to a chair in the classroom and said, "Raju, let's look at this chair from different sides." Raju stood above the chair and said, "From the top, I can only see the seat." Then he stood in front and said, "From the front, I can see the legs and the seat." He moved to the side and said, "From the side, I can see the legs and the backrest." Mina smiled and said, "It's the same chair, but it looks different each time we look from another side." Raju said, "These are called views: top view, front view, and side view." Mina added, "Let's try drawing all three views of this chair now." In class, the teacher held up an empty matchbox and said, "Children, this is a cuboid. We also call it a box." It has 6 faces: top, bottom, front, back, and 2 sides. Then she said, "Let's open it up and see what it looks like when it's flat." Raju watched closely and said, "Mina, look, the box is opening into a flat shape." Mina said, "That's a net. It shows all the parts before the box is folded." The teacher added, "Yes, we use nets to make boxes from paper or cardboard." Mina said, "I will draw and fold the tray, the part that slides inside." Raju said, "I will make the cover, the part that goes over the tray." Together, Mina and Raju cut, folded, and glued their parts. Then they slid the tray into the cover and made their own paper matchbox. The teacher smiled and said, "Well done. You made a cuboid box using nets." Mina placed some paper cutouts on the table and said, "Look, I made a small house using small pieces. A big one for the walls, a smaller one for the roof, and tiny ones for the windows." Raju smiled and said, "I made a car using a big flat piece for the body, a smaller piece in the front for the bonnet, and 2 round pieces below for the wheels." Mina said, "We can use different pieces like these to make anything we imagine." Raju added, "Let's work together to make a rocket." They put their pieces together, a long pointed piece for the rocket's body, small pieces for the fins, and a round piece at the top as the rocket's nose. Mina said, "Wow, our rocket looks ready to fly." Raju smiled. "Yes, we can create anything if we use our imagination and different pieces." And they continued to create more fun pictures using their colorful paper pieces. After finishing their colorful pictures, the teacher smiled and said, "Great job, everyone. Now I have a fun new activity for you." She handed each child a folded piece of paper and explained, "If you carefully cut along these dotted lines while the paper is folded, a beautiful design will appear when you open it." Mina and Raju looked at their papers excitedly and got ready to cut. As they carefully made their cuts and opened the paper, Mina exclaimed, "Wow, look at this pretty design." Raju smiled and said, "It's the same on both sides because we cut it while the paper was folded." The teacher said, "Now let's try folding and cutting to make a butterfly." Mina and Raju picked up their scissors, ready for the next fun activity. Mina and Raju had a lot of fun today. They looked at objects from different views, opened a box to see its net, made new pictures using shapes, and cut and folded paper into fun designs. In the next part, Mina and Raju will explore even more, like tiling, tracing, and drawing with lines. See you soon in part 2 of Mina and Raju Explore Shapes.